Hello everyone, and welcome to Accounting and Auditing Hub. Have you ever looked at a set of financial statements and felt like you were reading a foreign language? Well, you're not alone. I am Suresh Periyasamy. As a CPA licensed in the US and Canada and a fellow chartered accountant in Sri Lanka, I have spent my career speaking this language. In this video, I am going to strip away the jargon and teach you the absolute basics of accounting, the almost everything guide to understanding business finance. So what exactly is accounting? Simply put, it is the language of business. Imagine trying to tell a story about a company. Did it grow? Did it struggle? Is it healthy? You can't tell that story with words alone. You need numbers. Accounting is the system we use to record transactions, summarize them into reports, and analyze the results. It turns day-to-day chaos into a clear picture of performance. At the heart of accounting lies one golden rule. The equation must always balance. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Think of it like a weighing scale. On the left side, you have assets. These are the resources the company owns. On the right side, you have the funding. How did we pay for those assets? Did we borrow money? That's a liability, what you owe. Or did the owners invest their own money? That's equity, what is left. If this equation doesn't balance, the books are wrong. Period. To categorize money, we use 5 main buckets. First, the balance sheet items. Assets, things of value like cash, inventory, or buildings. Liabilities, debts like bank loans or unpaid bills. Equity, the owner's stake in the company. Then, we have the performance items, revenue, the money coming in from sales. Expenses, the costs to keep the lights on, like rent and salaries. Every single transaction in the world fits into one of these 5 boxes. Now, the part everyone fears, debits and credits. Forget the complex definitions. Just remember this, debit simply means the left side. Credit simply means the right side. Here is the cheat sheet to increase an account. If you get more assets or have more expenses, you debit them. If you take on more liabilities, get more equity, or earn more revenue, you credit them. If you memorize this table, you can record almost anything. We summarize all those debits and credits into 2 main scorecards. First, the income statement. This answers, how did we perform? It takes revenue minus expenses to show your net income or profit. It's like a video recording of the year. Second, the balance sheet. This answers, what is our position? It lists assets, liabilities, and equity. It's like a snapshot photo taken on a specific day, usually December 31st. A key concept is timing. Most of us live on a cash basis. We think we have money only when it hits the bank. But businesses use the accrual basis. This matches the effort to the result. If you sell a product today but get paid next month, accrual accounting says you earned the revenue today. Why? Because you did the work. This gives a much more accurate picture of true business health. Accounting isn't a one-time event, it's a cycle. We analyze a transaction, like buying a truck. We record the journal entry. We post it to the ledger. We verify the math with a trial balance. And finally, we produce the financial statements. Once we finish, we close the books and start all over again for the next period. Now that you understand the alphabet of accounting, you are ready to read the book. On this channel, I have deep dive videos on advanced topics like property, plant, and equipment, covering IAS 16, ASPE 3061, and US GAAP, ASC 360. Critical comparisons, how to handle the differences between IFRS, US GAAP, and Canadian standards. Audit and controls, real-world guides on how to audit these assets and set up internal controls. Check out the playlists on my channel to master these professional skills. Accounting is a journey, and building a strong foundation is the first step. If you have questions about these basics, or if you need specific help with your CPA exams or professional career, please reach out. You can email me directly at spadvisory.co@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly guides on standards, audit, and controls. Thanks for watching.